Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is gonna be a little different. It's more gonna be of a vlog, how I utilize my truck. So I've gone ahead and installed the tent, just 4 bolts holding it in place. I actually went out and I bought these brackets that hook up to the inside rails, and then they came with these crossbars. So pretty much I'm able to have my tonneau cover, which right now it's raining, and you can have a tent on top, and then you still have a dry access to, you know, the bed. So now I'm just ready to hit the campground with the boys. So I've got my truck all packed up today. It is morning and it's really cloudy actually. I know it's gonna rain. Anyway, I got my shooting stands, my shooting gear, got water, all my guns. In that, there is a bunch of miscellaneous stuff for cooking. That's all dry foods. Obviously got my tent. Can't forget camping chairs and stuff like that. Here I got my sleeping bag, pillow, more dried food, cooler food, spare clothes. Guys, this truck is everything I've ever wanted. This is not my first time camping, obviously. You can tell I already have a system, but I'm actually gonna take you along this time and show you what it's all about. When you buy a truck, it's just so utilitarian. You could use it as a daily. It's useful to go out camping, you know, off-roading, things like that. So I sold my Subaru because I like to go snowboarding. This, you could also go up in the mountains and do that. Really, really cool. By the way, if you haven't seen my video of the wheels, I just got these wheels recently. So check the video out right before this one that shows all the fitment, all the stuff and the stats and everything that I did to this truck so far. These are actually Voodoo branded brackets. I got this system because I really wanted a tonneau cover, which would protect from dust, dirt, and rain, which covers the bed, but also you could still have the tent up top. So they come out here, it still seals and everything, and you could store things all up in here, and it just keeps it nice and safe. So I really, really love this system. Definitely highly recommend. It was only about $550. Well, only. It's a lot of money, but super easy to install. Definitely recommend this brand, Voodoo. So yeah, check them out. It took me so long and so much research to finally figure out what I wanted. I've been looking for this setup for so long because I knew I wanted a bed tent, and then I wanted a tonneau cover, specifically a factory tonneau cover from Toyota, which I got this one used. So it's a Tacoma on it. But yeah, it took me so much research and I finally found this company, Voodoo. Definitely highly recommend. Definitely affordable, and it looks good. It looks sleek, easy to install, very functional. Super, super good quality product.
Point it up. Point it up. Well, we just need it checked, right? We're gonna continue shooting this all day. This is my only rifle. Okay. Thanks to that. No, me and Roman are gonna shoot together.
No,
and
давай,
we're gonna see
Roman.
who's faster.
Get in here.
Is that better? You ready? Come on, Andrew, load faster. What are you doing there? Do you even army? There he goes. You don't even army.
Oh, look at him. Let's put it on the
Getting
show.
rained on out here.
Really? Really, Mark?
He's gonna post it. So, I'm gonna shoot at the lower target on the left, and you shoot at the higher target on the left.
No, he's going to be shooting
right.
past you. Have him shoot at the right.
Okay.
It didn't fire?
It's jammed.
Uh-oh.
How was it jammed?
Look.
Yeah, I think David was a little faster, David. I think you were a tiny bit faster.
Yeah? You think so?
We're trying a binary trigger, which is new to me. It's when you pull the trigger, it shoots, you release the trigger, and it shoots again. So it shoots really quick. You're going pow, 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 pow. No, you're going pow, 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 pow. Yeah, like that. So instead of pow, 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 you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like 40, 50
Yeah,
rounds.
you're gonna banana that barrel. Because that thing holds the heat.
Check out the views, guys. That's Detroit. So my cousin's got the Ford F-150 truck, and he's pulling this trailer. This little talkie, I don't know. Maybe, no, I don't think it'll pull it. Mark, do you think my little talkie would pull this trailer?
In like second gear. No, I'm kidding. Top of third, they could pull.
Yeah. No, but yeah, that's why the F-150s are better. They could do a little bit of everything. They're you know, Tacoma's like off-road. You know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, David.
No.
You reckon my little taco would pull your trailer? What do you think?
Downhill, yeah.
Roman, are you waterproof?
I hope so. The tent. Hope it's waterproof.
Yeah. It looks waterproof.
Does it?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
you don't think that this will leak into the...
No.
Okay.
You're totally fine.
Dude, so easy. That took me like, what, 3 minutes to unzip it, unfold it, tent down. That's it. All right, so I have my whole setup all done and ready and set up. So here it is. So I got this mattress right here. It's about like 2-inch mattress, 2 or 3 inches. Can't quite tell right now, but it's nice and foamy and soft. And then I have this cover for just like a blanket. And then this is my over cover. If I get really cold tonight, I will put on some sweats and a t-shirt and a hoodie. But yeah, there's my pillow. Really nice, spacious, perfect for one person. 2 definitely could fit in here. But this is a really nice tent. Now, I did buy this tent for about 3.5 grand, so it's an investment. But if you're a camper, this makes it nice and easy. I got these rain catches set up, so the bar goes in here, and then it just spreads this open right there, so that the rainwater, when it does rain in it, I think it will tonight, will catch the rain and it'll drip off. So the first time camping here in 2022. So it's been a year since I've been. So here with the boys. How you liking the greenery?
It's nice.
Dude, it's nice.
I like the water, the green, the lake.
It's nice to get out.
Oregon rains a lot, but that's why it's so green and beautiful.
Roman, you look so mysterious over there with your hood on like that.
Heck yeah, dude. I'm scared of the rain, man.
Yeah.
Scared. No, dude, look at this. I got cilantro right here, all cut up. Cut up red onion. Pico de gallo. Limes, tortillas, and salsa. Where do you think this is going?
What's all on there?
Well, we started with a like kind of cucumber squash looking thing. Then we got an onion.
Is that a vegan shish kebab?
No. I had the animals cut the vegetables for me, so it's not vegan.
All right.
Thanks, Roman.
I'm so glad we have tacos out
Looks
here.
really good.
Oh, Mark, dude. Nice. Dude, look at this. Look at this. Now that's what I'm talking about. Can I have some of these?
Будешь?
Не, я без салата.
Bis salad. He doesn't want the
Okay,
salad.
Yo, look at that rainbow, bro. It's like right here in the lake.
Okay, now that you got me on tape, watch me do this.
Okay.
Oh, dang,
Yeah, that
dude,
was
that's
pretty-
professional.
I like it, like pizza except with the taco.
Dang, dude.
Yeah, watch.
How do you even do that? Watch, it falls on the floor.
Wow, I know, right? This is the modern day.
Dang, boy.
Nobody lives in the moment. We all just take pictures of each other. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you share it? I'll share it too.
Yeah,
all
let's
share
airdrop,
it.
quick.
Let's share. Wow. I'll help. Got it.
Dang, boy. Oh, yes. That was an easy one, bro.
Easy one?
No, I tried.
Big.
Can you do this? No.
He's like, okay, so here's what happened. This happened, and now I'm next.
Pretty much. Не пачка тоже надо.
You cooked it.
Даник, ты ж больше не будешь.
S'mores time,
А зачем ты меня отдал?
Oh, yeah. Dude, that looks so good.
Она была crack.
Overcast coming down, fog's rolling off the mountains.
Там дерево. Дерево понял.
Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is Oregon. Look at those low-lying clouds. You got freaking greenery all over the place. You know, people hunt here a lot, and I actually really want to try hunting with my buddies. These guys, I gotta go one day. Anyway, well, look over there. That is epic. You just go up in the mountains, just, man, gotta take my truck up there. That's what we're doing next.
What do you mean? I don't know. In the moment. But the baby had some genetic problem that he couldn't survive.
We got this little cover, even though it's raining. We got some hot tea going, some dogs. What more can you want? Good morning, by the way.
Good morning, sir.
Get some coffee, apple, bacon.
This much because we won't eat a lot. Well, if we were only eat burning on top.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. The next video I'm uploading is the Highway 101 West Coast road trip in Oregon. I'm going to be spending 9 at the beach, so please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video to see the next one. So peace out, guys. See you in the next video.